Hi, today we're making actually focaccia with the 1938 inside. So instead of just dipping it, we'll be using it inside.
So to make a focaccia, we're gonna need some bread flour, some yeast, salt, oregano, garlic, olives, olive oil, 1938 of course, and some chopped onions. For the topping, you can let your creativity go and you will be able to make a choice of the vegetables you like to put on top of your focaccia. First step, we will reactivate the yeast. So I take a bit of lukewarm water and a pack of active dry yeast, and I am sure that it is really well mixed. And then I will let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. It has to really bubble, and we have to see that we have a nice activity on our yeast. The second step, we will combine the water, the flour, olives, onion, oil, salt, oregano, and garlic all together. After the 10 minutes kneading it, take the dough, you see here, the structures and the bubble. It's gonna be nice. Here I'm giving a bit of tension to the dough. And then I will divide the dough into are stretching our dough to about 7 inches by 12 inches. Then we will dust our paper. And put our focaccia on it. I used to do it like that. I fold like that and then I unfold it. It's pretty convenient. Okay. Well, then we'll make a decoration. Feel free to do what you have in mind.